In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify domain name step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button. Enter the email address connected to your Shopify account, type in your password, and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store dashboard, go to Online Store and then click on Domains. Here you'll see all domains connected to your Shopify store, including your current primary domain. If you want to buy a new domain directly through Shopify, click on Buy New Domain. Search for the domain name you want, check availability, and purchase it. If you already own a domain from another provider, click Connect Existing Domain and follow the instructions to connect it to Shopify. For stores using a myshopify.com address, you can also change to a new myshopify.com domain by selecting the option to change your Shopify domain name and entering a new available name. After adding your new domain, select it as the primary domain so customers are automatically directed to the correct website address. Once everything looks good, save your changes and give Shopify a few moments to update the domain settings. Changing your Shopify domain name is an important branding step, so make sure the new domain is simple, professional, and easy for customers to remember. Thanks for watching.